Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing swatches on the new Morphe High Impact Highlighters. So these were released today online and they're available also at their Morphe retail stores. So there's a total of 6 shades and each retail for $14. The packaging of the highlighters, it's the exact same packaging as the Brontours. It's a matte square black packaging with a snap closure and it has a really good quality mirror. So the first thing I noticed is that they have a good variety of shades for different skin tones. I divided the shades into 2 groups, so I decided to do the first 3 lightest shades that could be used for lighter skin tones to medium, and then the second group will be for medium dark to deeper skin tones. So the lightest shade is Stardust, which is a iridescent pink. Extra is a glimmering golden pink, and Lit it's a glistening ice gold. Spark in my opinion would be for medium dark to deeper skin tones. The shade is described as a glimmering golden pink. Boom is a sparkling mauve bronze, and the darkest shade is Mirage, which is a metallic copper. So these highlighters are very creamy and not powdery at all, which is something I like because it's less likely that they will show up chalky. I didn't experience any issues with any of the shades. After playing around with them, I noticed they're buildable. At least mine weren't extremely pigmented. And to be honest, I don't like anything that goes directly on the face to be too pigmented. I'd rather have it being buildable than just being too pigmented and then I have to remove it. I hope you guys find this video helpful and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.